Well, happening today, a critical meeting between Governor Cuomo and President Trump. The face-to-face comes as the states consider reopening, but now the World Health Organization warns that the worst is yet to come. CBS News' John Diaz live in Times Square with more on today's meeting. John?
Yeah, good morning, Chris, to you. No doubt these two politicians have been at odds with one another. Just the other day, the two clashed over the coronavirus pandemic. But we are told, though, that these two politicians plan on meeting later on today at 4 o'clock in the Oval Office to further discuss their response.
The governor's they're really getting it together in New York. A lot of good things are happening in New York, and I think the governor's going to come in to see us.
President Trump and Governor Cuomo, who through press conferences have been at turns bargaining and then bickering, will come face to face today in the Oval Office.
Andrew is going to be coming in with some of his people, so we look forward to that.
It's not clear whether it will be a showdown or just an opportunity to calm things down.
The question for us is, are we past the apex?
The meeting comes during encouraging news about the battle against COVID-19, but the governor indicated we still don't know when the curve will start to come back down.
Does it take 2 weeks for it to come down? Some projections say that. Does it take a month? Some projections say that.
But it appears many here think it's okay to go out without masks and ignore social distancing. Over the weekend, police even had to bust up a party in Brooklyn with 50 people.
I want to see an aggressive, assertive, consistent effort by the NYPD and all enforcement agencies, no matter where they are.
But New York is quite the contrast with other cities across the U.S., where protesters are demanding an end to stay-at-home orders. Beaches open in Florida, parks open in Texas, and Georgia says gyms and hair salons are next.
That's insane. We have won some really hard battles.
But Dr. Michelle Blackwood of Robert Wood at Johnson Barnabas Health telling CBS 2's Dick Brennan a lot more needs to be done before we decide to fully reopen.
You need widespread testing to see who's immune and who's not just if you have the virus or not. You need a vaccination. And quite frankly, you need the drugs to combat this disease.
And Mayor Bill de Blasio canceling all major outdoor events in New York City through the month of June. That does include 3 parades: the National Puerto Rican Day, Celebrate Israel, and the Pride Parades. Again, though, President Trump and Governor Andrew Cuomo plan on meeting later on today at 4 o'clock in the Oval Office to further discuss the coronavirus response. Of course, we'll let you know what does happen. But for now, reporting here from Times Square, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
Okay.